Welcome to this Day Cab Trucks for Sale video. In this video we have just about every single manufacturer of Day Cab Trucks for sale available. So let's first start off. We have a 2012, it's Peterbilt 386. It's got a pack car engine, 13 speed. All aluminum wheels. .225 tires. It's got a 210 wheelbase. Next up we have a 2009 Freightliner Cascadia with a Mercedes 450 horse 10-speed overdrive. This day cab truck that's for sale has dual tanks, 202-inch wheelbase, 12,000 fronts, 38,000 rears. Next up we have a 2006 Freightliner CL120. Actually, we've got two of these matching. Detroit, 455 horsepower, 10 speed. Nice day cab trucks for sale. Heated mirrors, cab extenders, dual tanks. .170-inch wheelbase on those. Next up in the Day Cab Trucks for Sale video is a 2011 Freightliner Coronado SD with a Detroit DD15, 505 horsepower, 13 speed, only 322,000 miles. Very nice dash. That's nice. I like the passenger side seat. The seats are really nice, and it's a nice truck. Wet kit, full locking rears. Oh, now we got the Classics. We've got 6 of these, 2006 and 7s, Freightliner Classics, Mercedes, 13 speeds, full locking diff, wet kit, 12-inch saddle box, 13 speeds. And now we have a 2006 International 8600 Day Cab Truck for sale. The Cummins ISM 385 horsepower, 10 speed. Nice clean truck. Now we have a 2010 Peterbilt 386. Thought I'd throw it in. It's got a little sleeper, but it kind of fits into the work category, so work truck. So this Day Cab truck has a Cummins 450 horse with a 48-inch flat top. Now we're off to the 08 International Prostar with a Cummins ISX, 13 speed, 442,000 miles. And now we've got the 2006 Sterling AT9513. It's got a Mercedes 370 horse, 10 speed, 360,000 miles. And our last day cab truck for sale is a 2005 Mack Vision, Mack 427 horse, 10 speed, 12,000 front, 40 rear, 150-inch wheelbase. If you're interested in any of these day cab trucks for sale, give us a call, 888-572-4887, or put some comments below. We'd love to have some comments because our stuff changes every day that comes in, but we have lots of day cab trucks for sale, so please give us a call.